What?
What are you guys doing?
We're going to make some bath bombs.
Cool. Alright.
Oh no, so as you guys are wondering, today is St. Patrick's Day. So we're green just so we cannot get hit. So we have powder, glitter, coloring, flashlight.
Those are scents. We have coconut oil, flashlight, something to mix, and
A spoon.
oh yeah, that's the mix. And bath bomb mix.
And also, and a cupcake and with more things.
And a donut. And baking soda.
Alright, so first we need a teaspoon and tablespoon, a bowl, and water.
Now what's step one?
Step 1. Get a bowl that's at least 8 ounces in size and put 2 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 5 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon bath bomb mix. Mix thoroughly with hand to break up any crumbs until all ingredients are equal. Step 2. Add oil to the mixture. If desired, use a spoon instead of your hands. Add
What kind of oil? Coconut?
add half a teaspoon of coconut oil and add it to the mixture. So 20 to 30 drops.
How many?
30.
No.
30. 4, 5, 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's good.
I think you need a spoon.
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 Wait, no, there's spoon in there.
Mix.
Oh. Add water to the mixture.
How much?
Measure half a teaspoon of water. As you are blending the mixture with one hand, slowly sprinkle the water into the mixture with the other. Add color to the mixture. Add a quarter of a teaspoon of the mica powder into the color of your choice into the mixture and stir well. Step 5. Place the mixture into the mold. Fill the mold little by little, pressing down to ensure it's tightly packed. Fill up molds to the edge, pressing hard with your fingers so that it's completely full. Note, the mixture will dry out fast, so work quickly.
We're into this.
I'm just doing it for you. You gotta press it hard.
Step 6. Removing the bath bomb from the mold. Let your bath bomb sit inside the mold for 1 minute. After a minute has passed, gently squeeze the mold to release the bath bomb. Carefully remove the bath bomb from the mold without breaking it. Let it dry completely on a flat surface. Tip: if you're having trouble removing your bath bomb, line the mold with plastic wrap prior to the fill. This will help your bath bomb easily slide out of the mold when removed. Then remove plastic wrap and let bomb sit to dry.
Okay. And what's going to be step 7?
Step 7 will be watch, pop, and fizz. When you're ready to use one of your bath bombs, simply drop it into a warm bath and enjoy. If you want to store your bath bombs, store them in an airtight container or bag and make sure to use within 6 months.
Okay, so moment of truth. Did it?
Kinda.
Kinda? It's still powdery? It's still powdery. Okay, we went wrong somewhere. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to try again, and we'll be back in a few.
1 hour later.
Alright, so what did you guys just do?
We made our bath bombs.
I did a pineapple.
I did a cupcake.
Good.
I did a donut.
Okay, now the moment of truth. They're going to do it one by one. They're going to flip it over to see if it stays in place. And then we're going to test it in the water that we got over here. So first, Michael. Flip it over. It stayed in one piece! What if it fell apart?
It's happening.
Okay. Alright.
It's coconut.
Missing the little.
Yeah, the piece fell off, but it came off. Alright.
Actually, I didn't get to that part, even though I covered the entire thing. This is proof that I covered the entire thing.
That is true. Alright, put it down for now. Alright, Ella. Turn it over. Place it flat on the table.
No.
Oh, it fell apart.
Well, at least still made it. At least still made the pineapple.
Guys,
Most of it stayed intact.
Most of it.
does this look intact to you?
Okay.
What's that?
Okay, how about you put it back in the mold so we can save it for when we test it.
Okay.
Alright.
Go back to your.
Turn it back over.
Okay, you done
Alright.
now.
Alright. Now, Trey, ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3. It stayed in place!
Hold on.
No, it's cracking, it's cracking.
Oh.
Put it back, put it back, put it back, put it back, put it back. No, put it back. It's not gonna work like that. Ella, help him.
I can't.
So,
Now flip it, now flip it. So, Michael, we're gonna test yours first. So let's put it in here. Let's see what happens.
Whoa,
whoa.
That's cool. Oh, we should have put a toy in. We
go
should have put a toy in. We should have put a toy in.
I wish you guys could feel this.
Dad, you want to touch it?
The camera.
Here it is.
Now, then, Nella.
Put in the comments below how you think this would feel.
Feels like a raw.
Do you want to get fresh water or do you want to do mix it together?
I want to mix it together.
Okay. All right. Hands out. Hands out.
This is what's left over.
Okay, put it back in. All right, Ella. Ready for the fallen pineapple of doom?
Yeah, SpongeBob. To mine. SpongeBob, meet your new home.
Oh!
Whoa!
Oh, we forgot to mention that there's glitter in here too. I don't know if you can see it.
It's like tiny pieces of glitter.
Oh, not so, guys. I'm gonna
Missing in
dump
my hand.
Squidward meets.
Oh yeah, that's true.
SpongeBob.
You did SpongeBob, you did Patrick, and that's Squidward.
Wait, but I did Patrick, but
Wait.
I did SpongeBob. Oh. How does that? What?
Well, Patrick's always in there. All right,
It's just a fun.
now for the blue.
Wow!
Just your funk. You guys see that? It's cool.
Just.
Let's make some.
This is fun.
Okay, so guys, doing this, how would you rate it?
On the fun meter, of 1 to 100.
Yeah.
Just judge me.
From a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate this a 9 because they fall apart very easily. So you don't really keep them for long. So like as soon as you make them, it's like, oh no, it's falling apart. It has
The one is white.
What about white?
One is white.
White water.
Ish.
It looks kind of gross.
It looks kind of murky.
Drink it.
No.
No, I won't do it.
It looks like spoiled milk.
Oh.
Who wants to play with me? My hands are drowning.
All right, guys. So was this fun? Do
Yes, it was fun.
you want to do it again?
Yes.
Should people buy it?
Who wants
Yes.
to play
I
more?
forgot if you like colors, then yes.
Guys, wait, we added oils in it too. How does it smell? I can't smell it.
That's right. We put cotton candy.
Strawberry and raspberry.
We put all the oils.
How does it smell?
It doesn't.
Write in the comments how it smells.
He's just smelling it.
Write in the comments how you think it smells.
Smells like a unicorn threw up.
Ew.
Write your personal opinion on this.
All right, guys. So.
We made a bath bomb and we failed miserably.
But the important thing is.
We had fun.
We did something.
Alright.
Okay. Shut. Oh my
Wait,
god.
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.